Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Time for another unboxing. Today we have a case of the Matchbox The Movie cars, guys. So pretty excited to open these up, so let's get to it. Alright, Matchbox The Movie is supposed to be coming out this fall. I'm not for sure if it's going to be in theaters or if it's straight to Apple, but it's going to be an Apple movie. So it might come straight to the streaming, or might be in theaters first. But we are going to take a look at some of the cars that they decided to make for the movie. So, starting off here with the MEMT Mercedes Sprinter van. The ambulance. Decent looking one. It actually says Apple TV Skydance. This Camaro. That's the highlight so far. That color combo with the white stripe. 69 Camaro. That one is looking good. Let's crack it, take a peek. Yeah, nice taillights. Camaro logo on the side there. Headlights even got a little detail on them. Yeah, they did a good job on this one. So, looks like you're getting 2 of each in the set. So we got 2 more of those. So they have an excavator. It's kind of cool. Matchbox excavator. Probably have to try and make that into a keychain. See if there's any construction guys out there. Might not hang on a keychain very well. It's kind of clumsy, but it's kind of a neat idea. And this is one of the ones I was looking forward to. The 86 Ford F-150. Looking good. I don't think they've ever done a casting of this before. If they have, it was a long time ago. So that one actually has some good detail on it too. It even has the headlights and the Ford logo. Double gas tanks on the long box. And Ford stamped there. So yeah, it's a nice little casting. I like that one. So doubling up on those as well. What do we got next? Another ambulance. We need lots of ambulances in this movie, evidently. That is a Ram ambulance. So you get the European one and the American ambulance. Looks like they used the casting all the way up into the grill on that. And look at that one, guys. That's a highlight there. The 2020 Nissan GTR Nismo. So if you saw my previous video, I did an unboxing of the Matchbox The Movie moving parts cars. So I'll have a link to that down below if you want to check those out. But one of the moving parts one was the ambulance and the GTR. I want to say the GTR had opening doors on the moving parts, but still looks good in the plain, the regular casting. So 2 of those. And we get a helicopter. The rescue helicopter, that's kind of cool. And then this was a moving parts one as well, the orange van. And it had opening side door. So this door here would pop out and slide backwards. And sold out of that one already, so sold the 2 that I had. So we'll put this one as a keychain, see if people are interested in the one that doesn't have an opening door. A couple of those. Oh, look at that. Nice little Triumph Scrambler. That's a cool looking bike. I might make for a cool keychain as well. And They've used this color for lots of movies and lots of castings. The 68 Mustang with green with the white stripes. Not the first time I've seen this guy. Two of those. Oh, look at that. Land Rover 6x6. That's a big boy. With the roll cage on exoskeleton there. Interested to see this movie, see what it's all about. And a NASCAR. Interesting. So something to do with NASCAR or stock car racing as well. Neat. So that is two more of those. All right, guys, that's gonna do it for this unboxing of the Matchbox The Movie cars. So there's some good stuff in here. Digging that GTR and that Camaro, guys. The Camaro is looking really good in that blue, and that F-150 is pretty nice as well. But let me know what your favorite is out of this set. Hopefully you start seeing this on the shelves. I haven't seen it on shelves yet anywhere. I'm not sure if it's coming to Walmart and Target or where it's going. But I picked this up online from Diecast, and I'm not sure if they still have any available for order, but I'll leave a link down in the description to their website if you want to check them out. But appreciate you guys tuning in again, and if you haven't already, please like and subscribe, and stay tuned for our next video. Have a good one. Okay, guys, this case here I did not even know existed or was a thing until very recently, and I had to pick it up. So if you haven't heard already, guys, this fall on Apple streaming service, there's going to be a movie, an actual real-life Matchbox movie with all kinds of cars, and so that's what this is. The Matchbox The Movie moving part series here. So they've got the cars to go with it. And this first one's a banger, guys. Check that out. 2020 Nissan GTR Nismo R35. Looking good. Let's crack it open here. Yes, that is an epic Matchbox moving parts, guys. Super good. And of course the moving parts on this one are the doors. See if we can get you a little shot of the interior there. Yeah, looks really good, guys. I really like this casting. I'm gonna knock the wing. It is a plastic wing, but it looks pretty decent. Yeah, and that 5-spoke wheel design that they like to use. But that first one, guys, is probably the best one out of the case. So moving on, at least we get two of that one. Next up, looks like this must be in the movie too, a Volkswagen bus. That's cool that it's a bus that has the opening door. That thing has some heft to it, guys. That's heavy. Holy moly. Wasn't expecting it to be that heavy. And it's got a it's a plastic base. It's not like it's a metal base. So this top half is heavy. And there's the sliding door there. Kind of wobbly. Could break very easily. That window go down? Doesn't go down, but it looks like it's cracked a little bit when it's closed. And that's probably just for making sure it seals better. Yeah, just the one side opens, nothing on this side. But I do believe this might be the first time that they've had the Volkswagen van bus in moving parts. Let me know in the comments, guys, if you've seen one of these in moving parts before. I have not. Okay. So we do get 2 of that as well. Next up, Dodge Ram Ambulance. Okay. The EMS paramedic ambulance. So it must be a Dodge in the movie. I'm guessing that the doors open in the back because nothing else has moving parts. So how are you supposed to get that to open? Guess you need a tool, something to get inside there. Like so. And then there's some detail inside there. That's another heavy one, but there's a lot of metal, a lot of area there. 2 of that one, which is kind of a bummer. Don't only need 2 of that. And last of this box is a Ford GT40 in black, guys. Opening back hatch. Yes, that is looking good. Can't go wrong with black with white stripes. Classic look. So that's plastic as well. All these cars have some heft to them, guys, even though they got plastic chassis. So there's the open, kind of a cheesy little engine bay there. They didn't do much with that. Not a lot of detail there. But I think I can see here where this metal here on the chassis is super thick, so adding to the weight. Yeah, that one looks pretty good as well. So only 4 cars, and you get doubles of each in this set. 4 of 4 instead of 5 like the other moving parts tend to have. All right, guys, that's gonna do it for this video. I was pretty excited to find these moving parts from the Matchbox The Movie coming out here this fall. So that was a cool surprise. Didn't know about those. But if you're interested in picking these up, as of this video, they were still available when this came out. You can order these, a whole case of these, from anjtoys.com. I'll have a link down in the description. I got the regular moving parts from there as well. So thanks for tuning in. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe, and stay tuned for the next video.